Understanding the Eucharistic Congress, a dive into faith and unity. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of the Catholic faith, the Eucharistic Congress. Whether you're a language learner, interested in religious studies, or just curious, this video will help you understand what a Eucharistic Congress is, its significance, and how it impacts the global Catholic community. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover the meaning behind this profound religious event. A Eucharistic Congress is a special event in the Catholic Church that aims to promote an awareness of the central place of the Eucharist in the life and mission of the Church. The Eucharist, also known as Holy Communion, is considered the body and blood of Jesus Christ, and it's a fundamental part of Catholic worship. During a Eucharistic Congress, Catholics from around the world gather to bear witness to the importance of the Eucharist through masses, prayers, workshops, and discussions. The tradition of holding Eucharistic Congresses began in the late 19th century, with the first one taking place in France in 1881. The purpose behind these congresses is to deepen the understanding and devotion to the Eucharist, encourage unity among Catholics, and spread the message of peace and love that the Eucharist symbolizes. Over the years, these congresses have been held in various cities around the world, each bringing its unique cultural and spiritual contributions to the event. Eucharistic Congresses have a profound impact on both the local communities where they are held and the global Catholic Church. They serve as a powerful reminder of the Catholic faith's unity and diversity, bringing together people of different ages, backgrounds, and nations. These congresses also stimulate local economies and encourage a deeper spiritual reflection among participants, strengthening their faith and commitment to the teachings of the Catholic Church. We hope this video has enlightened you about the Eucharistic Congress and its important role in the Catholic faith. These congresses are not just events. They are gatherings of faith, hope, and unity, where Catholics worldwide come together to celebrate and deepen their understanding of the Eucharist. Thank you for joining us on this exploratory journey. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others who might also benefit. Until next time, take care and keep learning.